let's talk through the cosine rule, and specifically to find an angle. You are given this formula on your formula sheet. Now this helps you find the length of the side. When we're labelling up a triangle, remember it's the capital letters for the corners and the opposite sides have the lowercase letters. So in this rule, if we were trying to find the length A, we would have the opposite angle. We would have that, say, as 32 degrees, and we'd have the two other sides that are not A. So 5 centimetres, 8 centimetres. You can now input those values into the formula to figure out the length of A squared. However, what do you do when we're trying to find A? We're trying to find angle A. If you're given the three sides, but you don't know what A is, now we need to rearrange it to say cos A equals, and this is how we do it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to remove the B squared plus the C squared and take it over to the other side. So we're subtracting B squared and we're subtracting C squared from both sides. That gives us A squared minus B squared minus C squared equals negative 2B C cos A. Okay, we've nearly got cos A on its own. The other thing we need to get rid of now is the negative 2BC. That's being multiplied by cos A, so we now need to divide by negative 2BC. Now let's sort the signs out a little bit here. It's not nice to divide by a negative. And then remember, if you want A, we have to do the inverse cos of those values. This formula is not given to you on your formula sheet, but so you need to be able to rearrange this one into this one for when you need to find an angle. There are other ways of doing it. You do not have to do the rearrangement. You could put it in that form, but it makes it a bit trickier. So if you learn the rearrangement, you'll find it easier.